factor the binomial. So we have 4 minus h to the 6th power. So in this problem, we're going to use a formula called the difference of squares formula. It says if you have a squared minus b squared, that it's equal to, parentheses, a minus b, a plus b. So that's the difference of squares formula. So we have to write both terms here as something squared. So let's go ahead and try it. So the 4, we can write that as 2 squared. That's pretty easy. It gets a little bit harder though with the h. So the trick is to write it as h cubed squared. And you can do that because properties of exponents say if you were to work out h cubed squared, you basically multiply the 2 and the 3. And 2 times 3 is 6, so everything does check. All right, so now we use the formula. So our a is 2 in this formula, and our b is h cubed. So it'll be a minus b, a plus b. So I actually don't even think about a and b. I just think of it as this one minus this one. So 2 minus h cubed. And then you just add them. So 2 plus h cubed. So it's the first one minus the second one, then times the first one plus the second one. And that's it. That would be the final answer to this problem. I hope this video has been helpful.